Welcome to the introduction of Unraveling the Mystique of SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, might sound like high-tech jargon only suited for the tech-savvy. However, in reality, it's an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online presence. In today's digital age, where the internet serves as the primary medium for discovery and engagement, SEO helps ensure that your website or blog shines among millions. It's not just about being online, it's about being found. Every time you use Google, Bing, or any other search engine, SEO is at work behind the scenes. It dictates which websites appear first on your search results, influencing visibility and traffic. The higher your site ranks, the more likely people are to find it. Thus, mastering SEO can literally make or break your online success, particularly if you're a business owner or a content creator. Let's dive into the world of SEO, making it less intimidating and more accessible for everyone. Now, let's break down what SEO stands for. Search engine optimization. It encompasses a variety of strategies and practices aimed at improving the visibility of a website or page in a search engine's unpaid results, often referred to as natural, organic, or earned results. Essentially, SEO is about enhancing your online content so that a search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of a certain keyword. This process revolves around understanding how search engines work, what people are searching for, the actual search terms typed into search engines, and which search engines are preferred by their targeted audience. By optimizing a website, one can improve its overall searchability and visibility, thereby increasing traffic. From using the right keywords to ensuring that your website is fast and user-friendly, SEO involves a wide range of tactics that work together to boost your online presence. SEO is dynamic. The rules and algorithms that define it are constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest SEO trends is crucial. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or a freelancer, a strong grasp of SEO fundamentals can elevate your digital footprint significantly. Let's delve into the mechanics of SEO and understand how it works through its three primary components: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO deals with the content on your website. It's about ensuring your content is not only valuable and informative but also optimized for the keywords that potential visitors are searching for. This includes the use of relevant titles, good meta descriptions, and keyword-rich content. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, relates to the actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. This largely involves link building or earning backlinks, which are links from other websites back to yours. Technical SEO refers to the activities that help search engine spiders crawl and index your site more effectively. By integrating all three aspects of SEO, on-page, off-page, and technical, you create a holistic strategy that increases your site's chances of ranking higher. It's like a well-oiled machine where every part works together to drive more traffic to your site. Section 4. Practical SEO Strategies. Tips for Success. To start improving your SEO, begin with keyword research. Identify the terms and phrases that your target audience uses when searching for your products or services. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you find relevant keywords. Once identified, incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, including headlines, subheadings, and throughout the body text. Content is king in the world of SEO. Ensure that your content is not only keyword-rich but also engaging, informative, and updated regularly. High-quality content attracts more visitors and encourages them to stay on your site longer, which can positively affect your search rankings. Another crucial strategy is optimizing your website structure and navigation. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly, as these factors also influence your search engine rankings. Engaging with your audience on social media not only builds community but also enhances your online visibility and authority. Section 5. SEO in Action: Real-Life Success Stories. Take the example of a local bakery that implemented SEO strategies to increase its visibility. By optimizing their website with local keywords, improving their content quality, and regularly updating their blog with recipes and baking tips, they saw a significant increase in organic traffic. This not only brought more customers to their website, but also to their physical store. Another success story comes from a freelance photographer who focused on niche keywords related to her specialty in wildlife photography. By creating engaging content that highlighted her expertise and optimizing her images with alt text and descriptive file names, she significantly improved her website's visibility in search results, leading to more bookings and collaborations. These examples illustrate that no matter the size or scope of your business, SEO can be a game changer. By adopting SEO strategies, businesses not only enhance their online presence but also increase their potential for growth and profitability. Section 6. Common SEO mistakes to avoid. One of the most common SEO mistakes is ignoring the quality of content while focusing solely on keywords. Overstuffing keywords can make your content unreadable and deter visitors, which can negatively impact your SEO. It's crucial to balance keyword use and ensure your content remains engaging and informative. Another frequent error is neglecting mobile optimization. With the increasing use of smartphones for internet browsing, a non-mobile friendly website is likely to suffer in rankings. Ensure your site is responsive and loads quickly on all devices to improve user experience and SEO. Ignoring the importance of analytics is another oversight. Regularly reviewing this data allows you to refine your SEO strategies effectively. Section 7. Conclusion. Embracing SEO for online success. Embracing SEO is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their online presence and achieve long-term success. By understanding and implementing basic SEO strategies, you can significantly improve your visibility and attract more traffic to your site. Remember, SEO is not just for tech experts, it's a powerful tool available to all who are willing to learn and apply its principles. Begin by demystifying SEO for yourself. Break it down into manageable parts, apply the strategies discussed, and use real-life success stories as inspiration. With dedication and the right strategies, SEO can open doors to new opportunities and lead to substantial growth for your business or personal brand. Start small, keep learning, and watch as SEO transforms your online presence from invisible to indispensable.